Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to turn off parental lock on Microsoft account. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. You guys have to simply go to your search bar and search for Task Manager. So after opening up your Task Manager, you have to simply go to this services option on the top right. So after tapping on that, you guys will be able to see the lots of files here. So you guys have to simply type W. So after typing W, you have to just simply scroll down until you will be able to find in the description box, you will be able to find parental lock. So here you guys will be able to see here in the description, there is a parental lock here. So the file name is WPC-MONSBC. So you have to simply right click on this file and click on open services. So after clicking on that, it will provide you this kind of interface. So here you guys have to just simply click on any of the file and type the P. So after typing the P, you will be able to see lots of P files, and the second folder you have to see you will be able to see the parental controls. So you have to simply click on it. So after clicking on that, here you have to just simply click on the startup type and click on this drop down menu. So, and here you have to simply just click on this disable button. So after clicking on disable, you have to simply hit the OK or hit the apply button and then click on OK. And after that, you have to just simply close the file, and that's it. So I hope this method find you well. To like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.